All right, let's be real. Forget all the get rich quick nonsense you see online. Today, we're cutting straight through the noise. We are talking about real, actual side hustles that can put money in your pocket in 2026. No fluff, no crazy promises, just a straight up roadmap to earning online. I mean, seriously, think about it for a second. You see that ad, you get that little jolt of excitement, you sign up, and then nothing. It's a super common, super frustrating story. But why? Why does this happen over and over again? And that's the hard truth, isn't it? The internet is just flooded with so-called gurus promising you can make thousands of dollars overnight with basically zero effort. Look, they're selling you a dream, not a reality. And it's a dream that's designed to make them rich, not you. And this, right here, this is the vicious cycle it creates. You end up wasting so much time on ideas that just go absolutely nowhere. You're getting hit with conflicting advice from a dozen different experts. You might even spend your hard-earned money on courses that teach you nothing, and it just leaves you feeling completely stuck, like it's somehow your fault. I'm telling you, it's not. Okay, but what if you could just cut through all of that noise? What if instead of chasing every shiny new thing, you could just focus on proven strategies that actually, work? Well, that's exactly what we're breaking down right now, a clear path forward. So let's start with the most direct path to making money. This one's all about a simple exchange of value, what you can do or what you can create for cash. Simple as that. And here it is, Side Hustle 101, freelancing. You already have skills. I promise you do. Whether it's writing or graphic design and maybe video editing, or even just being amazing at organizing spreadsheets, there are people and businesses out there right now who are willing to pay you for that skill. And you don't even need a fancy website to get started. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are literally built to connect you, the freelancer, directly with clients who need your help. They are the perfect place to get out there and land your very first paying gig. And here is the key thing to remember about freelancing. You're not trying to invent some brand new thing. You are just monetizing what you already know how to do. Your skill is your product, and it's the absolute fastest way to go from zero to earning your first dollar online. Okay, now for the second hustle on this path, print on demand. Just imagine selling t-shirts, mugs, posters, whatever, with your own cool designs on them, but you never have to buy inventory, you never have to pack a box or ship a single thing. I know, it sounds crazy, but that's the magic of print on demand. So here's how it works. It's so simple. You create a design, you upload that design to a product on a site like Shopify. When somebody buys it, a totally different company prints it, packs it up, and ships it right to the customer. All you have to do is collect the profit. It literally turns your creative idea into a real product with almost zero financial risk. All right, let's move on to path number 2. Now, this one is a little less about direct one-off sales and way more about building something for the long haul, an online brand and an audience that knows and trusts you. Yeah, this slide really shows how these are two sides of the very same coin. On one hand, you've got affiliate marketing. You're basically a salesperson for products you already use and trust, and you get a commission. It's faster to start because the product is already made. On the other hand, there's content creation. Now, this is the long game. You're building your own audience from scratch. The payoff, you own the whole platform and that direct relationship with your followers. So for affiliate marketing, the Amazon Associates program is, without a doubt, the king for beginners. It's just so easy to get started. And for content creation, listen, short form video on YouTube and TikTok is where all the attention is right now. You don't need a fancy studio, just your phone and a good idea. And finally, let's talk about the future, because it's already here. Path number 3 is all about leveraging one of the most powerful, game-changing technologies of our lifetime, artificial intelligence. Now, don't let the term AI scare you. This is not about you becoming a coder or building some complex algorithm. Nope. This is about you using the incredibly powerful AI tools that already exist to provide super high-value services that people will gladly pay for. Think things like AI-powered copywriting, video creation, or data analysis. I absolutely love this analogy. Think about it. You don't need to know how to build a jet engine to be a great pilot, right? In the same way, you don't need to know how to build AI to use it like a pro. Your job is to learn how to pilot these tools to create amazing results for your clients. So, we've covered 5 incredible, totally legitimate side hustles. But here's the thing, and I have to be real with you here. You could pick the absolute perfect hustle and still fail. It's not about the idea, it's all about the execution. Real success, real income, it all comes down to these three simple steps. First, choose one path, just one. Don't try to juggle everything at once, you'll just burn out. Second, you have to be ruthlessly consistent. Work on it every single day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. And third, be ready to learn and adapt, because the market changes, the tools change, and you have to be willing to change with them. At the end of the day, it really all boils down to this. You have to stop treating this like some get-rich-quick scheme. It is not a lottery ticket you're just hoping pays off. It's a small business, and if you treat it with the focus and seriousness it deserves, believe me, it will pay you back. So there you have it. The blueprint is right in front of you. Selling your skills, building your brand, or leveraging AI. Every single one of them is a viable path to a real online income. The only question left is, which path will you choose? Your 2026 starts today.